Job seeker reports. We're going to go into ABC 321. And so what this is showing you is we have two assessments that have been created. One on the 18th of December 2024, and the 2nd of January 2025, both by Dennis Clary. If you want to just see that information, you can click on details and it'll show you the difference. This is contrived data, but it'll show you the difference between the first and the second one. It's automatically going to compare the first assessment to the second assessment. If you want to look at different assessments, you go to the filter by, and we can look and see what Aunt Louise had to say. And you can compare those two assessments or three assessments if you'd like. So at this point, we have yet to add any type of job or searching for jobs with this. So I'm actually now going to go into jobs, and we're going to go ahead and create a job goal for this person. So we'll say that they are interested in laboratory work. So I'll click on lab, and we will say that med lab technician is going to be their job goal. We also want to take a look at dental lab tech, later laborers and freight stock as well. So I'm hearting the ones we're interested in and flagging the one that is our job goal. I'll go back to overview, and you'll see this is different than it was last time. So it's automatically going to compare the first to the most recent assessment. It'll show you the improvement that they've had for that particular job. So you can see that they've gotten worse. Again, contrived data for all these types of things. And then we can also look at their ability score by subscale. So for any of these, we just click on details, and it'll show you again percentage-wise. If we want to look specifically at work structure or lower task-related abilities, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show you the highs, sums, and lows, and the change from first to the last. If I want to look and compare the raters of multiple raters at the same moment in time, I'm going to go to the rater agreement report, and I'm going to select the assessment. So I'm going to look at these two from the same day and see how much agreement there is. The overlap is where there's agreement. Where there's not overlap, there's disagreement. It's not that someone is right or someone is wrong, but remember, behavior is often driven by environment and expectation. So sometimes if we ask Aunt Louise to fill that out, she may have a different perspective on how someone's doing at home than maybe they're doing at work. If I click on details, it'll show you, again, the percentage change. If I click on that, it'll show you for general skills, you said some, I said high, here's why. It's not that someone is right or someone's wrong, but it gives us the ability to look at how that environment influences behavior. I'm going to go back to ABC 321. Two other things that you can do. You can share this report. So maybe Aunt Louise is not able to come to the meeting, but we're going to send it to her. I'm going to create that report, copy the link, paste it into your email, and you can send it to people. So maybe the VR counselor or family member is not able to join the employment planning meeting, but they can still come back to that. Go back again to ABC 321. And we're going to also be able to print reports. So I'm going to click on print, and you can decide how much information that you want to have in it, if you want the detailed, and we can click on that and print that report. It's generating the report right here. And then even though it says print, it's actually going to download it. So you can look and see cons, needs, areas of intervention, how they're doing for each one of those different things. So you have that to be able to see as part of your documentation for IEPs or for our friends from vocational rehabilitation.